Hello and welcome back to the Broken Doll. And today I did some airbrushing. As you know, I get excited, and it was just a great feeling because it was a fear, and I'll admit to it. But with the help of Dodi's dolls, she has been my encouragement through this, pumping me through. And the thing is, you can do it, but yet you think you can't do it. It's a new field. It's something different. And me, I have to conquer stuff at times. I'll get mad, upset. I walk away from it and say, I'll never do it again. And you'll hear me say that. I'm not doing it. Then I come back and I do it. And I think that is in some of us. We do that. But I'm proud of this moment. I had to do it 3 times. But it was worth it. And so anyways, I'm going to show you. It's not a perfect job. I think I can do better the next time on my next doll. But that's the thing with this, with airbrushing. You become better and better and better. So let's take a look at my doll now. Here she is. Now, I think I did pretty good by her. Like I said, not perfect. But you know what? I'm going to take it, and I'm going to run, and I'm not going to argue with it. And I think the color looks nice on her. It came out beautiful. Wow. Okay. Now I still have other work I need to do on her, of course, and I got to put her lip coloring, her blushing. I got to work on the eye area, and but wow, I'm just so pleased with my work. I'm going to pat myself on the back and on this one because, like I said, this was hard for me to do. I get all upset and. Because I want it to turn out good. That's the whole thing about it. I want it to be something good. So you want to bring these dolls back to life, and that's what it was about. Now she came with a wig, and I don't like the wig. The wig just makes her look drabby. It's just what it is. I love the molded hair and showing it off. And but anyhow, there she is. She's looking good. I think it looks wonderful. I'm going to leave her as she is. So everybody, I'll be coming back with more update on this doll as I progress through. Here's her arms and legs all sitting here right now. And yep, we're ready to work on those 2 next. So anyways, have a great day, everybody. More to come. Bye-bye.